How to import from Endnote to Zotero. Have you ever wondered how to transfer your references from Endnote to Zotero? If you are making the switch, you are in the right place. Let's break down the steps to make this process smooth and easy. First, you need to export your library from Endnote. Open the Endnote application and select the references you want to transfer. You can choose to export your entire library or just a specific group of references. If your library contains figures, make sure to convert them to file attachments. You can do this by going to the References menu, selecting Figure, and then choosing the option to convert figures to file attachments. Next, go to the File menu and select Export. In the Export dialog, choose the Excel format for the export file. This format is preferred because it keeps more information intact and is compatible with Zotero. Save the exported Excel file in a location that is easy for you to find, like your Documents folder. Now, let's prepare Zotero for the import process. Before you start importing, it is a good idea to back up your Zotero library. This way, you can avoid any accidental data loss. It is also recommended to temporarily disable Zotero's automatic sync feature in the sync preferences. This will help prevent any unwanted synchronization issues during the import. Once you are ready, open Zotero. Click on the File menu and select Import. Choose the option to import from a file and click Next. Navigate to the location where you saved the Excel file from Endnote and select it. Confirm the import. It is a good idea to check the option that places the imported items into a new collection. This will help you review them more easily later on. You can also choose to copy files to the Zotero storage folder to keep your attachments organized. After the import is complete, you may want to do some post-import cleanup. Zotero might include some notes that were carried over from Endnote that you do not need. These can slow down your library. Take a moment to review and delete any unnecessary notes or duplicates to keep your Zotero library efficient. By following these steps, you can successfully transfer your references, including attachments and metadata, from Endnote to Zotero. This method ensures a smooth transition between these two popular reference management tools, helping you manage your research materials effectively.